Using the Microsoft Office Accessibility Checker. Microsoft Office's Accessibility Checker is a useful tool for verifying the accessibility of your content. The Accessibility Checker can point out common accessibility errors, such as the absence of alternative text or a missing header row in a table. And the ideal time to use the Accessibility Checker is after you've applied accessible design techniques to your content, so it can help spot anything you may have missed. To run the Accessibility Checker, select the File tab, and from the Info menu item, click Check for Issues, and select Check Accessibility. The Accessibility Checker will open as a pane on the right side of the window. From here, the checker will either indicate that there are no accessibility issues, or it will contain a list of issues and tips. In this example, the Accessibility Checker is indicating that the presentation has an image that still needs an alternative text, and there's a slide with no title. Click on an issue to jump to it, and make the needed correction. It's important to note that the Accessibility Checker doesn't read your content. It only checks to see if certain accessibility considerations have been met. For example, in this Word document, the font style in this paragraph is difficult to read, but the Accessibility Checker does not notice this concern. It's a useful tool, but vouching for the accessibility of your content will be up to you by taking a moment to manually review your file for accessibility considerations before sharing it with your students. After you've corrected the errors appearing in the Accessibility Checker, click the X to close it and save the file.